On July 3rd, Central Texas was hit by a flood emergency. Overnight, nearly 10 inches of rain fell in Kerr County, causing the Guadalupe River to rise over 22 feet, its second highest level ever recorded. Rescue teams saved dozens by boat. Sadly, at least 6 people lost their lives. Several summer camps were also affected, some children still unaccounted for. Officials admitted there was no early warning system. A flash flood emergency was declared, too late for many caught by surprise. This disaster shows how fast floods can strike. Stay aware, especially near rivers.